So just an overview of what this exam covers: it's cloud concepts, Azure services, solutions management tools on Azure, general security and network security features, identity governance, privacy compliance features, and also Azure cost management and service level agreements. Now, if none of this makes sense to you, don't worry. This is what we'll be covering. If we have a look at the skills outline, there are a number of topics. Now, the way I'm going to teach you this may not be in the order that they show here in the outline. So if you're following this, then do know that I will probably be jumping all over the place in the order which makes sense for someone, I think, who should be learning this for the first time. Okay, so just a heads up there. And do note that this course, I will continuously be updating it, so that if anything changes, I will make sure that the course is also updated as well. So do make sure you're checking the playlist for this course rather than just the upload order, because the playlist will always be in the correct order for you. So this is completely free. This will be on my YouTube channel.